Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on personal care products with Walgreens, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your personal care product needs. Make a list of essential items you use regularly. Visit the Walgreens website or download the Walgreens app for convenience. Create an account if you don't already have one. Browse the personal care section for current deals and promotions. Take note of the items that are on sale. Use the search bar to find specific products you're interested in. Check if there are any digital coupons available for those items. Add desired products to your cart, applying any applicable coupons. Next, consider signing up for the Walgreens Balance Rewards program. This program allows you to earn points on purchases that can be redeemed for discounts. Keep an eye out for weekly circulars or local ads that feature additional savings. Look for buy one get one free offers, which can significantly cut costs. Make use of the store locator tool to find the nearest Walgreens. Plan your visit during sales events or special promotions for maximum savings. Once in store, compare prices on different brands and sizes. Opt for store brand products, as they often provide the same quality at a lower price. Check the expiration dates on products, especially for items you buy in bulk. After making your purchase, store your receipts for potential future rebates. Consider joining email newsletters for further promotions and exclusive discounts. Lastly, remember to review your shopping habits periodically. Adjust your routine based on what products you need and when sales occur. By following these steps, you can effectively save on personal care products at Walgreens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.